Good morning! Today is the day before Eid kaya ramdam na talaga yung holiday vibes dito. Ang Eid al-Adha is often called the Big Eid and a major Muslim holiday that honors faith and sacrifice and is celebrated with prayers, sharing meals, and helping those in need. Since may pupuntahan kami bukas, I decided to prepare something simple and masarap, egg sandwich for our baon. Nag-boil lang ako ng eggs, minash ko siya hanggang maging soft and creamy. Nakakatuwa rin yung eggs nila dito kasi individually may nakalagay na production date at expiry date sa shell miss. After mashing, hinaluan ko na ng mayonnaise. Tip ko talaga dito, piliin nyo yung mayonnaise na gusto nyo at masarap para sa inyo. Kasi siya talaga yung nagbibigay ng flavor sa egg sandwich. Simple lang yung ingredients pero malaking bagay kapag tama yung timpla. Tinikman namin ni ate after mixing everything and honestly, okay naman siya. Yung tipong simple lang pero comforting. After preparing, lumabas naman ako at naglakad papuntang Alcaramas and malapit lang siya from where I am, around 3 to 5 minutes walk lang kaya very convenient talaga. Since Eid week na yon, sobrang lively ng paligid, maraming tao, maraming families na namimili at ramdam na talaga yung festive season. Pagpasok ko pa lang, ang dami ng special offers at sale banners everywhere. Ang saya lang tignan kasi ang colorful ng stores at ang daming choices. Dumiretso na ako sa kids section dahil naghahanap ako ng swimsuit para sa pamangkin. Ang daming cute na designs. May bright colors, may simple lang, may mga pang beach talaga na bagay sa summer. At etong cute na green swimsuit ang napili ko. Masaya ring maglakad papunta Alcarama during Eid week kasi buhay na buhay yung paligid. May mga families na namimili together at marami ring naghahanap ng last-minute essentials before the holiday. Iba rin yung feeling kapag may mga gantong celebration dito sa UAE. Ramdam mo yung community and yung excitement ng lahat. And tomorrow, we're heading to the beach for a little unwind. Kasama yung spiritual family na nakaka-excite and thankful din. Sometimes, the simple moments, preparing food, quick walks nearby, finding little things we need, sila talaga yung nagiging favorite memories natin. Grateful for this peaceful day, productive errands, and something fun to look forward to tomorrow. Advance Eid Mubarak sa lahat ng nagsa-celebrate and hoping everyone has a beautiful holiday with their loved ones. So hanggang dito na lang. Bye!